Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Yanni and Leo. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will dive into balancing the sacral chakra. So let's start without further ado. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Gently scan your body. Notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you today? Your breath nice and easy, don't try to control it. Root down into the earth, receiving all the support that you need. And now connect with your sacral chakra, located a bit below your navel. You may imagine a sphere of orange light emanating energy from within you and into the world, further and further out, as far as you can feel. Take as much space with this energy as you want. The Sanskrit name of this chakra, Svadhisthana, can be translated as sweetness. So staying connected with the energy of your sacral chakra, remind yourself of all the sweetness you can have in your life. The sweetness of your body moving, the sweetness of eating your favorite foods, the sweetness of touch, the sweetness of all that life has to offer, colors, textures, smells, sounds. Let every cell of your body get filled with the sweetness, this bright orange light, this powerful energy of your sacral chakra. Settle into your emotional identity. Remember that you are allowed to receive as much sweetness in your life as you want and need. Claim this birthright without any guilt. In the endocrine system, the sacral chakra corresponds to the gonads, the glands producing sex hormones, testosterone, progesterone, estrogen. So now visualize how these glands, ovaries for women and testes for men, are getting all the nourishment and support that they need. Feeling your connection with the water element, the element of the sacral chakra, nourishing your gonads, remembering your right to receive the sweetness of life. Repeat these affirmations after me, mentally or out loud. I deserve pleasure in my life. I receive information from my feelings. I embrace and celebrate my sexuality. I move easily and effortlessly. Life is sweet and pleasurable. Now imagine your sacral chakra as a beautiful orange flower at the level right below your navel. We are going to repeat the Bija mantra for the sacral chakra, VAM, V-A-M, VAM, 7 times. With each repetition, see this orange flower opening its petals more and more, blooming without guilt. VAM, 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 VAM. Stay in the space of awareness you created through this practice. Enjoy it. And ask yourself, what is that I desire the most right now? Receive the answer in the form of words, images, sensations. What is it that I desire the most right now? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice when you start feeling disconnected from or guilty about your feelings, maybe trying to suppress them, maybe not trusting them, trying to rationalize everything. In these moments, remind yourself, I am here. I have the right to feel. All is well in my world. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, full of sweetness of life. And I will see you tomorrow.